Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to all, and I really apologize for not coming on time. 6 बजे मैंने बोला था, and we actually started 6:15.
Good morning.
I had kept my laptop for a update in the night itself. 2 बजे का timing रखा था, but my mistake was I did not check whether my plug is on. Okay, वो आदमी आके वो सब स्विच ऑफ करके निकल गया था, एंड दैट वाज माय मिस्टेक. सो व्हेन आई मॉर्निंग में मैंने 5:30 बजे लैपटॉप चालू करने के लिए गया, तो यहाँ पे वो दिखा रहा है कि अपडेट मोड, एंड देन इट वेंट इनटू दैट लूप ऑन. बाद में ध्यान गया कि ये ऑन ही नहीं था. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन आवर लाइफ. व्हाइल you have planned a perfect thing, but some gadbad keeps on happening, but it is okay. That is a part and parcel of life. It's bound to happen sometimes, but no, what we need to also understand from this is that we have to prepare ourselves for whatever we are doing. Means in the sense कि अभी मैंने ये समझ लिया कि ये आधे घंटा मेरा जो ये लूप में गया, so I need to start my computer little early and keep everything ready half an hour before my regular timing. जो मैं 10-15 मिनट पहले कर रहा था, मेरा टाइमिंग को मेरे को चेक कर लेना पड़ेगा, and that is going to solve the problem. Secondly, I need to relax when something gadbad is going to take place, and which is bound to happen. Okay, and this is also going to be very, very important. The point over here is when we are getting up early morning, okay, and we start our routine on a regular basis, the best part of it is the mind says, boss, I'm in control. Even on a vacation day, I get up early morning. Why? Because the mind is tuned to that getting up early morning. Okay, because the excuse have gone. Excuse को निकाल दिया है. Why? Because that routine has happened. Because every day morning when you get up, सुबह सुबह में वो brush हाथ में आ जाता है. Okay, why? Because the mind is saying, boss, सुबह को उठ के brush करना है. लेकिन रात को आपने brush नहीं किया होगा because that routine has not been set. So you need to have that mindset. Okay, कि ये routine को बना लो. Once you set your routine right and continuously do again and again and again, फिर वो mind को मालूम है कि ये time पे ये करना ही है. Okay, and even if I sleep at 12 o'clock or even 1 o'clock, the mind is awake at that wake up time, fresh. Okay, and I tell you, it is nothing to do with the number of hours you are sleeping. Nothing to do with the number of hours we are sleeping. It is to do with when we are going to sleep. When we are going to sleep, can we sleep peacefully? Okay, very important. see, आप अपने माइंड को ही बोल के सोते हो, अरे मेरे को तो सिर्फ 3 घंटा मिलने वाला है सोने के लिए, क्योंकि मेरे को जल्दी उठने का है. तो आपने क्या बोला माइंड को, यार आज तेरा पंगा होने वाला है. Okay, so you are telling your mind, I am going to get only 3 hours. See, only 3 hours of sleep. So what you have told your mind, अरे this is not correct. But if you tell your mind, okay, आज तो दिन मस्त गया, मस्त काम हुआ, enjoy किया, you know, during the work time also I enjoyed, during the evening also, suppose had a family dinner and we came home late, that also was a wonderful enjoyment. Okay, so दिन तो first class गया है. So what did you tell your mind? The दिन first class गया है. Okay, my sleep time is going to be less, but I am not telling my mind that my sleep time is less. Okay, So when I sleep, okay, I thank God कि भाई ये इतना अच्छा दिन गया है, सुबह कल सुबह को वापस फर्स्ट क्लास दिन जाने वाला है. So what is happening is during that wake up time, okay, the mind is open as the routine has been set, and you do not feel the इसको बोलते हैं ना हम लोग का आलसीपना, फिजिट जो बोलते हैं कि यार ओ नो दिस इज पेनिंग, मैंने कम सोया है. सी यू आर टेलिंग फ्रॉम योर माइंड मैंने कम सोया है, मेरे को और सोना चाहिए. हु इज टेलिंग? यू आर टेलिंग. And then the mind is so weak, so weak, so weak, it is going to take over. Just think about it. During your young days, you had your exams, तो रात रात भर हम लोग पढ़ाई करते थे. And early morning, okay, सुबह सुबह में स्कूल में with जोश, you know, I have prepared myself. वो टाइम पे सोना याद आता था? No. So what was happening? पूरा रात स्टडी किया, okay, and used to go to the exam में भी you are doing well because I have prepared myself. तो वो टाइम पे अगर सोने का नहीं सोचने का हिसाब होता था तो why do you feel कि अभी यही गड़बड़ हो रहा है? So when you start your morning, okay, with a josh, with a wonderful gratitude कि यार आज का दिन मस्त जाने वाला है, do whatever, you know, आज का दिन मेरा अच्छा जाएगा, okay, बॉडी पेन ये पेन वो पेन कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ओके, द टाइम इज सेट. ओके, आई विल डू माय रेगुलर रूटीन कंटिन्यूसली विदाउट थिंकिंग कि मैंने कम सोया है. ओके, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर फॉर योर वर्क, ओके, कैन यू नॉट स्लीप ड्यूरिंग दैट 1 hour of travel time? Of course you can. Okay, during your lunch break, which is normally 45 minutes to 1 hour, 20 minutes of lunch, can you not sleep or take rest closing your eyes कि मेरे पास तो 20 minutes है सोने के लिए? वाओ, सुपर. ओके, और वो 20 मिनट पुटिंग योर अलार्म, वो 20 मिनट आराम से सो गए. सी हाउ मच फ्रेश यू बिकम. एंड दैट इज व्हाट we have to train our mind. Mind is very weak, but we are strong. So please ensure that अगर रात को भी लेट आते हो, okay, body need rest, I understand, but then start your routine. वो रात को 12 बजे 1 बजे घर पे आने के जगह पे आप 10 साढ़े 10 बजे आ जाओ. And once your routine start, अक्षय कुमार आप देख लो, he gets up so early, but he is one of the fittest. So we have role models who have done this, okay, and that is why his earning is at the highest level, because his routine is set. Okay, and if you are able to do this routine, believe me, आपका स्टॉक मार्केट का जर्नी भी बहुत चेंज होने वाला है. ओके, और वो जो चेंज आप अपने आप पे लेके आने वाले हो, ओके, वो चेंज is going to change the entire lifestyle of yours. Think about the mind, the abundance of joy you can get. Your body is fit, and then when you are in the market and the money which will come in, is it not going to give you that freedom of doing what you want to? And that is why I keep on telling everyone, trading or investment is all about mindset. The system learning is very small. Okay, it hardly takes max to max 3 months to get everything right. And then it is only and only related to mind. And that is why I have started this 6 a.m. chit chat. Guys, very, very important that you have this routine set, which we are going to continue. Okay. We are going to face some problems. Tooting problems होने वाला है. चलो आज लैपटॉप थोड़ा गड़बड़ किया. Not a problem. लेकिन रूटीन तो है. Okay. So guys, very important that you are going to do this on continuous basis. See, somebody says you have to do it for 21 days. Somebody says you have to do it for 66 days. But I say we have to do it on a 365 days. Okay. Again, I'm saying don't push yourself, but do it with joy. Do it because you want to do it, not because I am telling you to do it, because you want to do it. It is your life. And once you will do it on a regular basis, then you will realize, Ayla, ye to easy tha. Just to bring our mind into control, which sets the day, one routine, get the mind into control. Because what was just before I started the recording, we are deciding in the night itself, yaar, बहुत थक गया हूं, सुबह को नहीं उठ सकूंगा. See what you have said, मैं बहुत थक गया हूं, सुबह को नहीं उठ सकूंगा. So you have already told your body and your mind, must now it will not be possible for me to get up early morning. You need to tell, hey, yaar, today was a fantastic day. I am going to sleep with peace. And then even if you have a 4 hours, 5 hour or 6 hour ka sleep, it is not mattering. It doesn't matter how much long the sleep pattern is, but it is always going to matter how peacefully you are sleeping. Okay, because if you just think about it, रात को सोने के टाइम पे आपने बोल के रखा, अरे कल तो मेरा मस्त दिन जाने वाला. When I get up early, I'm going to meet all my friends early morning वाले, you know, तो ये मस्त दिन जाने वाला है. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग यार मैं तो कल सुबह को नहीं उठने वाला हूं, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू डिसाइड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज योर लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो. डिसाइड क्या करना है मेरे को रात को. You are damn tired, I understand, everybody goes through this, but if you say it was a fantastic day, मजा आ गया, and कल तो और मजा आने वाला है. And when you go to sleep, even if it is a 4 hour sleep or a 5 hour sleep, when you get up, your mind is already saying, यार आज का दिन भी मस्त जाने वाला है. Now can we not do this? Everybody is agreeing to this. तो यही routine is going to help you to set the tone of the day. And secret is only few people are doing this. Only few people. Giving you an example of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Giving you an example of Akshay Kumar. All are having a morning routine. Okay. And this is going to set the tone of the day. Believe me, it is going to help you. Okay. So keep on coming back again and again. Everybody will have excuses, but we don't want to put ourselves into that excuse mode. तो उसको snooze कर देना है, and let's have a wonderful day ahead. Okay, छुट्टी है, so it is perfectly all right. मजा आएगा. Okay, anybody has anything to speak about? Okay, we started a little late, but today we understood कि morning में कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाली है, and it is part and parcel. We do not have to get hyper because मार्केट के टाइम पे भी कुछ ना कुछ न्यूज आ जाता है एंड मार्केट का वॉलेटिलिटी सडनली बढ़ जाता है. तो इफ वी become hyper, if we are not in control, can we get the things right as far as market perspective is concerned? No. So it's fine, hota hai. So in the night when you go to sleep, okay, tell your mind, tell your body, okay, boss, आज का दिन मस्त है. Even when you are that tired, and next day morning means आज, it is going to be a real hectic schedule, but it is fine. That is going to be a part and parcel of life. इसमें क्या है? But if you are initially saying no 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 no, ये तो गड़बड़ी है गड़बड़ी है गड़बड़ी है, so remove that गड़बड़ी from your mindset and see how wonderful the day can be. So with that note, I thank you all for joining me once again. Okay, tomorrow morning again at 6 we will meet once again. Anything anyone want to ask, or I switch off? Anyone? Okay, then let's meet tomorrow morning once again. Okay, to set the routine right. Okay, to keep our mindset. It is going to be a wonderful, the number of days where we are going to stay together. Okay, because very few people, just imagine 1000 जन को ये मैसेज जाता है, बट कितने जन आए? हार्डली, नॉट इन दैट 0.00 वाला परसेंटेज वाइज हजारों जन को ये मेल जाता है कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग आ जाओ, लेकिन वो नहीं आने वाले, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट द लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट. ओनली फ्यू परसेंटेज. हम लोग मार्केट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचो. ओके, हम लोग को अपना एजुकेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन बिकम डॉक्टर्स बिकॉज दे हैव पुट इन लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क टू गो टू दैट लेवल. तो मार्केट में भी तो यही है. Those who are going to put in lot of effort, they are going to be the most successful people rather than the masses. Masses are, they are going to be the donors for us. Believe me, I am saying this word donors because they don't want to work hard. They don't want to get into that mindset कि यार पैसा is going to come in easily. It's a game we have to master. We have to improve our skills. Okay, like you have improved your skills a period of time, okay, and now you are at a different level. तो ये भी एक स्किल है जो हम लोग डेवलप कर सकते हैं. I was from a computer hardware background, zero knowledge, practically zero knowledge of stock market, with not a single share also. मैंने कभी पता ही नहीं है कि शेयर क्या है. While I was serving in Bombay Stock Exchange and जब ये computerizing नया नया हुआ था, तो I had lot of clients over there who were brokers. लेकिन एक भी शेयर खरीदना नहीं था because I was not able to understand that. So I feel when I started, I felt, oh my God, I am so behind everybody, so behind everybody. And then I started learning ABCD, and I failed miserably. I have blown my account not once but twice, and I don't feel ashamed to say मैंने दूसरे लोग का भी अकाउंट को ब्लो करके रख दिया था. But then I said, boss, what am I doing wrong? So I went in deep, and I realized that the one thing which I was doing wrong was my mindset. And then one of the best book which I recommend today is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Okay, it's based on the psychology of trading. One of the best book, and everybody should be reading that book, and that has helped me to overcome so many different ways of looking at the market, looking at myself, and then applying some principles from that. So guys, thank you very much once again. Thanks, Dr. Samir, to join in, Sunil to join in, and Angelo. Wonderful. Even when one of you are here, that means it is for sure that you have taken the right decision to change your life, to change the way you are thinking, to change from where we are right now to where we want to go. Simple as that. Don't worry कि कोई नहीं है हमारे साथ में, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Now in the mind, अगर हमको ये करना है और अगर हम ये continuously करेंगे, I promise you at the end it will be a wonderful life. So tell yourself एक चीज, everybody tell yourself, ऐसे हाथ करो and pat yourself. हाथ करो और pat yourself. ऐसे pat yourself. Okay. अब बोलो यार ये बहुत अच्छा काम किया मैंने आज. Getting up early morning, you have to pat yourself यार. Definitely. Because ये जो रूटीन को सेट करने के लिए जो मेहनत लगने वाली है ना, बिलीव मी, 2 दिन के बाद में वापस ये गड़बड़ होने वाली है. अरे नहीं उठना यार, जाने दे यार, मयूर रोज सुबह को उठ के बकवास कर रहा है. एंड देन यू आर अगेन गोइंग टू फाइट विथ योर माइंड. एंड बिलीव मी, उसको यू डोंट हैव टू लेट द माइंड विन, यू हैव टू लेट योरसेल्फ विन. अभी आपने नक्की कर लिया मेरे को जीतना है, ओके, नॉट द माइंड. एंड वही माइंड को हम लोग ट्रेंड करने वाले हैं. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वही माइंड को हम लोग को ट्रेन करना है. And once that routine, that morning routine starts, it is going to be a fantastic all over. आप समझ नहीं सकते हैं, सब चीज में हम लोग बेस्ट बनने वाले. Whatever profession you are going to be the best. Whatever you are going to do, you are going to be the best. क्यों? क्योंकि हम लोग ने मॉर्निंग रूटीन को सेट कर लिया. So I love you all. Okay, let's keep it on. Okay, अगर अभी ऐसा होगा, and if you, I promise you, if you just stay with me for 21 days, okay, तो ऐसे करेंगे कि अगर कोई नहीं उठा है ना, उसको रिंग बजा के उठाने का काम करने वाले हम लोग. क्या आजा, चल भाग जाओ, चलो आ जाओ. जब भी हम लोग छोटे थे ना, तभी ऐसा ही होता था कि मेरे को नहीं आने का खेलने के लिए, तो अपने दोस्त आके खींच के लेके जाते थे, चल बाहर निकलो. And this is what is going to happen. 21 days you stay with me, and I will ensure that for the next 1 year we are going to change our mind to live a life of abundance and freedom. So with this note, I thank you all for joining me. कल सुबह को मिलते हैं. Okay.
Yes.
6 o'clock without the गड़बड़ of laptop. Love you all. Take care. कोरोना से प्लीज बच लेना, हाथ बात बराबर धो लेना. Okay. And tell your mind, I am in control. Love you. Bye bye.
All right.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, man.
Thank you.